A very good morning to our Talking Forex listeners. So in terms of news flow from overnight and this morning, a lot of it's been focused around that EU summit, which is ongoing at present. So we saw an EU draft summary report last night, and we also had comments this morning. So within those, we saw that stricter budget rules had been agreed by all the parties. However, they had not agreed to any treaty changes, and that's especially with comments from the UK PM Cameron, who said that he won't present treaty changes to the UK Parliament and he won't get involved. So pretty downbeat comments from Cameron there. We also saw for the ESM that will be brought forward to July 2012, have a capacity of around 500 billion euros. However, it won't have a banking licence. And we also saw that euro area countries will provide around 2 billion euros of bilateral loans to the IMF, and of that around 150 billion from the eurozone countries. IMF Lagarde did say that they'd present a plan for that within the next 10 days. And overnight we also saw that Italy cut their GDP estimate, so all in all some not particularly great news there. And we did see European cash markets opening low with a particular weakness seen in the financials, and that's after the EBA report yesterday, and that suggested that several of the Eurozone countries needed to raise quite a significant amount of capital. Banco Santander was the worst performing of those European banks. Now in terms of the other markets, euro-dollar is in slight negative territory. It is trading above the 133.00 handle, although cable is trading fairly flat. Now, looking ahead to the rest of the session, we've got the University of Michigan Consumer Confidence number for December. That's the prelim reading, and that's out a bit later on, and that's from the US. And we've also got all these EU summit comments to look forward to. We have several speakers scheduled today and press conferences as well, so a lot of the focus will be on that summit in Brussels. But for the time being, that's it from me. I'll have another update for you a bit later on, but enjoy the rest of the morning.